Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best curb ramps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Electriduct 5.2 heavy-duty rubber curb ramp, 20,000 pounds weight capacity. Whether you're carting heavy crates into your garage or trying to get your motorcycle or car up the driveway without scraping off the bottom layer of paint on your vehicle, a sturdy curb ramp definitely won't hurt. That's why we recommend the Electriduct CRRPS HDR 5.2-2PK, a model that supports up to 20 tons of weight. This alone makes it a great multi-purpose ramp, and that's far from everything this product has to offer. For example, the ramp is made of rubber with a metallic top, which has special grooves to make sure that the wheels or cargo placed on there don't just roll off. We do have to admit that the metal insert ends up adding some weight to the ramp, and thus this model is a bit weightier than most. Still, unless you plan to carry it around in a bag, it's not that big of a deal. Moving on at number 4. We have the BUNKERWALL BW1232 curb ramps. If you have a big car with low clearance, you know how tough it can be to get it onto the pavement to reach your driveway. That doesn't have to be the case though, as the BUNKERWALL BW1232 is designed to be a wide ramp that will come in handy to truck owners and those moving big objects. In short, it's a lifesaver when you're moving from one house to another and need to slide furniture down to the loading truck. Well, actually, the BUNKERWALL BW1232 isn't one long ramp. It's two 23.5-inch models that you can combine into a 47-inch one. It's made of thick, heavy-duty plastic, so you know that it's not getting deformed even after heavy use. Even the markings on its surface, designed to provide better traction, won't get worn out over time. However, be careful as the surface does get very slippery when wet, for example, if left out in the rain, and some heavier object might simply slide off. At number 3, we have the Pyle portable lightweight plastic curb ramps. The Pyle PCRBDR27 will help you out regardless of whether you need those ramps for an auto, a bike, or a wheelchair. This black and yellow pair weighs remarkably little at 7.7 pounds, making them perfect in terms of portability. You can slide the low-set ramps into a compartment in a wheelchair or a stroller, just as you would put a heavier model into the trunk of a car. It's made even easier thanks to a carrying handle and the fact that you can combine the two ramps into one using the mounting holes. At number 2, we have the Stalwart 75CR 1030 curb ramp. Not all ramps are designed for helping cars onto steps or curbs, and the Stalwart 75CR 1030 is among them. Although this model only has a 1,000 pounds weight capacity, making it an unlikely choice for auto transportation, but a good one for carts, cargo movement, and rolling wheelchairs and strollers up onto the pavement. This model is quite easy in use as it requires no mounting. You simply lean it onto the curb and a special groove keeps it firmly affixed in place. Even if you put close to max load onto this ramp, it's not going to budge as the model itself weighs nearly 12 pounds. Not the heaviest out there, but enough to anchor itself steadily. And finally, at number 1, we have the Guardian Industrial Products DHUP4 heavy-duty 5-ton curb ramp. Pushing a cart loaded with heavy objects onto the curb is a surefire way to pull your back or overextend your muscles and end up with a sprained ankle. Nobody wants that, so let's just agree to use the Guardian Industrial Products DHUP4 instead. This ramp is made of heavy-duty thermoplastic rubber, which might not mean much right away, but let's break down what that entails. Thanks to the choice of material, the surface has grooves and steps that provide great traction with any object wheeled onto the ramp. This, in turn, makes it easier to bring heavy loads up the ramp without straining too much. We do have to note that there is a pretty sharp odor of rubber early on, but hopefully, you're not about to go sniffing at the ramp instead of using it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.